Hi YouTube family, and welcome into today's video, which is actually going to be kind of a mega haul. I have been gathering things for probably the last month. So even before I left on my little trip to go see my folks in Utah, I was gathering a few things here and there, and I had a few things set aside to put in a haul, and it's just kind of snowballed. So now we're into the Black Friday, and that stuff's gonna start coming in for the stuff that I ordered. But I did really want to show you guys what I got while I was in Utah, some things that I got for Black Friday, and then just some things that have just come in here and there. And then at the very end, I'm gonna show you a few PR things that I have gotten. So without further ado and without further talking, here we go into this massive haul. Hope you guys enjoy it. I know it's gonna be a little bit longer than my normal ones. Okay, I normally do not go shopping on Black Friday or even close to that weekend because the stores are so jam-packed. But there were such good deals going on that I couldn't stay away. So I actually wanted to show you this top that I got from JCPenny's. I thought it was so cute. It has this cutout line right here, and then it just is really different than what I normally would find. And so I really liked it, and it was purple, so that was a bonus. And then the sleeves are 3/4 with a little tie right here, which I think are so cute. It is a plus size top, and I wear a plus size. I'm an 18. So it's hard for me to find clothes that actually come down almost like a tunic style because I like for my middle to be covered. And then I picked up another top, which I just think is so cute. It's got the interesting V-neck with the cutouts on it. I love these kind of tops. I think they're so much fun. And it's kind of a heather blue color, which I really like. This one I got at ShopKo, and then I went to Ross. I have been hunting for skirts and haven't been able to find any skirts, and I got this skirt and I just love it. I think it's so pretty. I can't wait to wear it. I haven't yet, but I thought the lines would be really flattering, you know, on a plus size gal. I thought that it would be really flattering there. And then the bottom of it was just kind of a zigzag bottom, which I thought was cute too. And then I purchased this top to wear with it at Ross. I'm pretty much all about having something unique going on with my clothes. And this does have that unique cutout on there on the front. So I think that is really, really cute. And guess what, you guys? My husband actually picked up this bag for me, which I absolutely love. I have really gotten away from carrying big bags because of the pain that I get just from carrying them on my shoulders. But this one is like a middle size. I've gotten to where I've carried just almost a crossbody little wallet type thing, but I really am in love with this bag, and especially since Bill picked it out for me, and it is so cute. So I'm really loving that one. That one came from JCPenny's. And then also Penny's is having just a great sale, $20 for any sort of their boots. And these are the boots that I picked up. I love them. They've got the ruching on the front, and they're kind of the soft faux leather on there. And so I really was excited about that. Well, also from Ross, I actually did pick up this absolutely gorgeous embroidered, like, it's a scarf, but it's actually big like a shawl, so you could wear it like a shawl if you wanted to. And then I have a couple of lifestyle things. My mom bought me this adorable, it's a placard for your desk, and it says Dog Mom. I don't know if all you know this or not, but I have 3 dogs, and they are my babies now, and they're so spoiled. So she thought this was very appropriate, and she got that for me, which I absolutely love. Also, all things purple. I am in love with all things purple, as most of you guys already know. But if you haven't known that before, you're about to know it even more. I picked up this bottle at, I think it was Home Goods. I got some really great stuff at Home Goods this time. And I also got this really beautiful lotion dispenser that I was just in love with. As soon as I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh. It picks up like every hue of purple and teal and blue, and it is so pretty. So I was so glad that I've got both of those things. While I was with my mom, her and I share a love of fashion jewelry. We love jewelry so much, and we bought a ton of jewelry. So I actually did pick these up while I was with her. Most of these I got at Burlington. A couple of them I got at ShopKo. If you don't know what ShopKo is, it's a lot like a Kmart, but a little bit higher end. And it doesn't encompass everything like Target does, but it's pretty darn close to Target. And then I got these, which I just thought were absolutely lovely earrings. They're a really big, like, rose gold with the silver and then the gunmetal, and it also has a little bit of bling in the center of them. Those are so pretty. I'm so glad I got them. My mom bought me these ones, which I absolutely love. Now, I don't normally wear anything gold because of my hair is already pretty golden and it can get lost, but I just absolutely loved the little bangles that are on here. So that was a pair that I really liked. And then I also did pick up these earrings right here, which are so cute. The bangle is on the back of the hook. So you put this on, this is your stud you put on, and then this goes behind your ear like so. So I just thought those were so cute and unique, and I just really liked them. Okay, so that is it for home and fashion. Now, of course, we're gonna get into a little bit of makeup. Caudalie is a brand that I've been wanting to try forever, and I never have, but they had this set while I had my 20% off coupon one day when I went in store. So I decided to pick up this 5-piece set. I'm excited to get to use this. I haven't had a chance to yet, but I understand that their skincare is really good. So really kind of excited to go ahead and use that one. Around about that same time, I ordered the It Girl Beauty book. I think this is like volume 3. I'm not exactly sure. I was not impressed with the other two. I have worked with this a couple of times already, you guys, and I do like it very much. Now, if you guys want to see a whole entire tutorial or an impressions on this where I kind of review everything in there, I'm happy to do that. As a matter of fact, I was hoping to do that. But if you guys have seen a million of them and you're like, okay, well, it's over, it's done, I get it. So I picked that up and I wondered if you guys wanted to see it. And then a couple more things on the 20% off. I got this Jouer, the foundation and the concealer, and I can tell you right now, you guys, I really like this. And I am happy to give you a demo of this as well if you'd like to see these in action. These are really good. I really am glad that I got both of those. I did also pick up Maxx Studio Fix 24-hour concealer. This one I'm not quite as happy with. It's a little bit drier. I also got this new Glamouflage Full Coverage Foundation from Hard Candy. So let me know if any of those things are things that you guys would like to see in a tutorial, like get ready with me, whatever, anything like that. I picked up this NYX Honey Do Me Up Primer. I had heard really good things about this, but I was really skeptical because I like to wear something with a dimethicone in it or a silicone in it to fill in my huge pores. As you age, you get those big pores. And so I did pick this up. The jury's still out about it. I'm not sold on it yet. I think I might have to try it at different times, see if it really helps, you know, with the hydration and different things like that. But as far as it stands right now, I'm not 100% sold on that. A couple things that I was really excited to pick up are these two Stila liquid eyeshadows. I got these the day that I was at the Home Goods. They have the Home Goods and the TJ Maxx linked together where I'm at. Where I was at, and so I got both of these, and these are so pretty, you guys. I don't know if you guys have had a chance to try these, but they really are beautiful. I end up getting these, I think, for $7 a piece, which I thought was really kind of a fantastic deal. And what's so pretty about them is you can build on them, but you can share them out too, and they are truly just very, very pretty. And they last a really long time. So I'm really glad I got those also. And then when I was at Walmart one day, I did pick up a couple of things from the new Wet n Wild. I think it's like Stargazer line or something. But they did have quite a few new things that I thought, you know, those might be really kind of fun to try. These are unfortunately all shimmers in here. I was like, you know what, how do you ever build a look based on that? But this color right here is satiny enough. It's a brown, just kind of a medium brown. And it's satiny enough that I think that you could probably go ahead and try and build a color off of it. The colors in here are quite pretty and they swatch really, whoa. Did you guys see that? They swatch really beautiful. So I'm excited to go ahead and try to work with them. But again, all of them are shimmers, so they're more colors that you would just use as pops of color instead of, you know, in everyday color looks. But I did pick up two of these new glosses, and these are the Color Icon lip glosses. And of course, you know that I have to pick up the purple. And I don't know what I was thinking when I picked up this purple, because it is like the most... It is super vibrant purple. I'm not going to wear that on my lips ever, you guys. It's pretty, but I'm not ever going to. I'm not somebody that would be able to pull something like that off. But I did pick up this like golden champagne color, And when I mix the two together, it really does come up with something quite pretty. So I think that's what I'll be doing with those, is just mixing those two together to kind of have, you know, a pretty color that goes with everything instead of, you know, just the purple like you're a crazy woman. This is from the Ulta Beauty, and this is their lip plumping. This is just a gloss, but oh my gosh, you guys, this gloss is so pretty. It has such a pretty sheen to it. And when you put it over top of stuff, it just looks so gorgeous. It's one of those ones where I was just like, okay, that's one that is really pretty. I'll make sure that I list the color of that. It's just a topper, see-through topper. And then this is the Yes to Skin Recharging Greek Yogurt and Probiotic Sleeping Mask. And I'm always needing to put something on at night that is really hydrating, and then I can feel like my skin is plumped up when I wake up because I live in such a dry climate. So it's really excited to get that as well. And then I forgot, there is one more thing I picked up in Utah that I am super excited about. Over and over again, I have been looking on Amazon for some sort of a makeup mirror, which I really have not found one. I found a couple that were little. I don't want to blind you guys, but none that were really big and I could use on my vanity. This is a big mirror, which I'm super excited about. It does light up, which I'm so happy about. It's so great. It uses a USB port, but it also can use batteries, which is really nice if you're going on a trip. And it also comes apart as well, very easily to come apart from the back. So this was one that I splurged on. I love this thing. I got it again at Home Goods, but I do know that you can pick that one up online as well. And I'll make sure that I link that one for you in the description box. Okay, a couple of things that I want to show to you that I got as PR. Now, I feel so blessed to be able to get PR, to get things free, to be able to review them for you guys. But I don't want you to ever think that I feel like I have to give a review or not on it. The only time that I ever have to give a review to you is Octoly. And I know that there are so many people that say, why do you guys throw that in there at random times? Well, it's because Octoly is a site where creators can go, like me. We go there, we can pick out things that we think we'd like to review, and we absolutely have to review them if we want to stay in good standing with Octoly. That being said, there are a few things that I absolutely had to review this time, and so I'm going to do that right now. One of the things is Color Science. I had heard this is the Total Eye 3-in-1 renewal therapy for the under eyes. I had heard so many YouTubers talking about this and how fantastic this product is for a few reasons. One thing is it's supposed to depuff. Another thing, it's because it has this really cooling tip right here. You put that on your eye and it feels fantastic when it's on your eye right there. The other thing is that it is in a kind of an orangey color. So it's supposed to do some color correction while it's underneath there. So while it's on your skin, it also helps with that too. Hydration, making sure it gets the peptides, that kind of thing. So this is kind of an all-around good product to have. However, this is a very, very pricey number. This came along with a gel eyeliner pot. I did really enjoy having it. I've used it so many times already, and it is quite a bit lighter of a product than the apricot that I've been using from the Maybelline Master Camo, and it does feel much more hydrating. So I've actually been using it underneath the apricot one. I would say at the instant that you put it on, you are getting that dose of hydration and you are getting that color correcting. But as far as all the rest of it goes, I don't know. It's not like this is my very favorite product that I've ever put underneath my eyes. And you guys know that I am 50, and so I have really become just really wrinkly and really had bad lines under there recently where I'm really having a problem with it. So even though I did like this product and I think it has its place, I don't know if I would, say to you, rush out and buy it. I think there's other things on the market that could be much cheaper and you could use that are just as good. So those are my thoughts on that. Also, I got this really pretty empty box too. This is a gift set that comes from Christoph and Robin. Actually, it's Christoph Robin. I'm just used to saying and Robin. But this is a 3-step system that I actually did use on my hair today and like it a lot. This is called a cleansing and a volumizing paste. And let me just read on it to you guys. It says with pure Razul clay and rose extracts. It smells fantastic. Inside of this, you can see that, I don't know if you can see that or not, but inside of there, it's granular. And when I first put it on my Scalp, I'm thinking, okay, well, it's going to be like a scalp, you know, like scrub, that type of thing. But you immediately get it on your scalp, and what happens is it foams up. And so you're doing a really pretty deep cleansing to your scalp, and at the same time, it's so moisturizing. You use it just like a shampoo for a couple of minutes, and then you follow up with the volumizing conditioner with rose extracts. And then after that, you use the Instant Volume Mist. But I really liked the scent of this. I really liked the way it made my scalp feel clean, but without being dry, because usually, you know, when you're really rubbing your scalp, it can get really dry. So I really did like them, and I'm really excited to continue to use them. And if anything of that changes, I'll let you guys know. Okay, so with Octoly, we have a disclaimer that we always have to say, and I'm going to go ahead and get that disclaimer out of the way. The Color Science Total Eye 3-in-1 Eye Care was sent to me as a gift from Color Science to review. And then the Christoph Robin 3-piece set with the cleansing balm, the conditioner, and the spray. This was sent to me from Christoph and Robin. And then this is the third thing that I am reviewing from Octoly. And this is the Clarins. These are the Jolie Rouge Velvet Lip Sticks. Now the concept in this is that you can get your favorite color of lipstick, but you can get it in different finishes, and each of those finishes can be, you know, kind of customized to however you feel about your lipstick. You know, some people like matte, some people like a balm, some people like just a cream lipstick. So that's what this is. This one is 744, and it's soft plum. And so here is the first one right here. This one is more along the lines of the cream color. And this soft plum color is absolutely beautiful. And then this is the 744S, and I believe that this one is just the balm. And then this one is their matte one, 744 in their matte formula. Now, you can see the difference in all of those. These are the same exact colors, but different formulas. And even though I don't have these on today, let me just tell you that the balm was very emollient. It was not sticky. It was a really nice lipstick. It didn't last very long, though. As you probably know, balms only last you anywhere from an hour to a little bit more than that, depending on whether or not you're eating or drinking something. The matte one, that one was the deepest one. That one had a tendency to stain my lips, which is actually giving you more color throughout the day. It did wear a little bit longer, but again, because it is a lipstick and not a liquid lip, it did not last all day long. I got the longest wear out of that one at about, I would say at about 3 hours. That somewhere in there. And then the regular cream lipstick was so comfortable. That is obviously my favorite. That's what I try to wear all the time because it is just really comfortable on me. I don't find that it dries my lips out. I don't feel like it wears off really quickly. So for me, that's that happy balance, and I really did like that. So thank you to Clarins for sending me this to review for you guys. Okay, one more thing, and then we're gonna go. So La Mer, as most of you may or may not know, is a really expensive line of skincare products from Sephora. You can buy it on their website. I'm sure you could buy it at Macy's, Nordstrom, that kind of thing. And I was excited to get this, really excited, because it was a thank you gift for using the Allure Beauty Box or signing up for their subscription. So I was really excited. This is my thank you gift. This is what I'm looking at, and I'm going, wow, okay, great. I open it up. Honestly, you guys, can you see how little this is? Can you see how little that thing is? It's like, is this a joke? Is this, am I being punked? What is this? Anyway, I just thought that was so funny, and I had to share it with you guys. So not everything is rosy when you're a YouTuber. You don't necessarily get the big perks. You might get the little perks. I just thought that was so funny. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you would, please. I would really appreciate that. And subscribe if you haven't already. We'd love to have you be a part of our YouTube family. That is absolutely it for today's video. Thank you guys so much. You have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my very next video. Bye, you guys.